Good night, everyone. Good night to the judges. Pause with him 10 minutes, pause with him there. Tonight, we have a wicked challenge because whenever the people come, and wife will tell me, say, yo, where are the brother? We're going to close and forward. Maybe sing that song and still, let's see. You have with him now. I mean, I tell you, say, you wonder. I mean, I tell you, say, you wonder. I mean, I tell you, say, you wonder. Yeah. I mean, I tell you, say, you wonder. 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 Me have to make it out dog, you know, wonder. Me have to make it out dog, you know, wonder. Remember when I'm a kill and rice, man, I eat on a Sunday. Me I tell you, wonder. Me have to make it out dog, you know, wonder. Me have to make it out dog, you know, Sunday. Remember when I bread and butter we I eat on a Sunday, yo. We have to overcome, yo. We have to overcome. We have to overcome. We have to overcome, yo. I'm on the overgun. We have to overcome. We have to overcome, yo. I'm on the overgun. We have to overcome. We have to overcome, yo. I'm on the overgun, yo. Carter, the blessings are flow like water. Have to make it to help out my daughter. Me have to make it and help Takiana. Benzi push right now, see the prayer. Yo, man, talk the truth. Have to make it out and help me out. Yo, I'm searching. Yo, Jacko down right now, I'm searching. And me I tell you, say, I wonder. We have to make it out dark, you know, wonder. We have to make it out dark, you know, someday. Remember when I'm a kill and rice, me I eat on a Sunday. Me I tell you, wonder. Me have to make it out dark, you know, wonder. Me have to make it out dark, you know, someday. Remember when I'm a kill and rice, me I eat on a Sunday. Yo, Jackie, what the realest? But she right now, I feel it. Start him at the gym this. But she know some mean it. Yo, we have to overcome, yo. I'm on the overcome. We have to overcome. We have to overcome, yo. I'm on the overcome. I'm here to say I wonder. Me have to make it out dark, you know, someday. Me have to make it out dark, you know, one day. Remember when I'm a kill and rice, me I eat on a Sunday. Me I tell you one day. Me have to make it out dark, you know. Me have to make it out dark, you know. Me have to make it out dark, you know. Me have to make it out. Cause me I tell you say I wonder. And me I tell you say I wonder. And me I tell you say I wonder. And me I tell you say. And me I tell you say. And me I tell you say I wonder. 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 And me I tell you say, and me I tell you say, no way out. Put it back again. Second performance, is it? Cause that's just a warm up. Me heart you, me heart you. You broke me heart you. Me say you broke me heart you. Me say you broke me heart you. Me say you cut me off you. Me say you broke me heart, girl. Me say you broke me heart, girl. Me say you cut me off. I know your friends are my laugh. You want the friends of my bra. True, you broke me off. Me say you cut me off, girl. Me say you broke me heart, girl. Me say you cut me off. I know your friends are my laugh. You want the friends of my bra. True, you broke me heart. Better know say you are gonna take sick. When you see me stepping on the X6, you are said really happy me X this. Wait till until you see the next G. When you're penny on my bed, I watch Netflix. And me a put me on her wet lips. And she a say me things sweet like dentist. I show me living her like dentist. Me no apprentice, me heart, girl. Me say you cut me off, girl. Me say you broke me heart. I know your friends of my laugh. You want the friends of my bra. True, you broke me off. Me say you cut me off, girl. Me say you broke me off, girl. Me say you cut me off. I know your friends of my laugh. You want the friends of my bra. True, you broke me off, girl. Me reach with the star and me give the moon. And you take a bash and film with me youth. And a friend tell me the same afternoon. Say if you run with the girl, she take you for fool. Now you gone with a nigga up a blue lagoon. And you broke me out in the first part of June. Yo, time I go tell, just watch the news. Hey, right now better. Me say you broke me out, girl. Me say you cut me up, girl. Me say you broke me heart. I know your friends are my laugh. You want no friends are my brap. True, you broke me heart. Me say you cut me up. You, me say you broke me heart, girl. Me say you cut me up. I know your friends are my laugh. You want no friends are my brap. True, you broke me heart, girl. Move your part, cause we can restart. Nobody feel you smart, no the fire a sparks. Don't feel man, yo, cause we made so dark and it for one part. Where is me heart? Where is me heart? Right now me get that. Broke me heart. Me say you cut me up. Me say you broke me heart, yeah. Me say you cut me up, yeah. Me say you broke me heart. I know your friends are my love. True, me say you broke me heart. One more time.
Wanna say about young Bubba? Judges, what do you say about young Bubba?
I'm always first. Young Bubba. So I love the two songs. I love the lyrics. I like when you say you broke me out, yalla. Never like that. Me still feel away. I feel away. But me sorry say she break your heart. I can't call her girl. But I love it. Both of them. Yeah, I expected more energy, I'm thinking, but I'll give you a 7.
Alright. On the spice alone, allowed to feel away. Alright, the man that will show it and you punch it. And when they make you feel it, that means them do it right. You see? So you do your thing, it build up as you go further, because you start out shaky, but it build as you go where you hear whole line melody them and everything, and you tell a story and all of that. Passionate, you see me? So big up yourself is an 8 from me.
I feel the pain, brother, I feel it. Alright, you started out soft and then you gradually increase the momentum. As Miles just said, I do not like when you said girl, based on the context of what has happened in your story. So change that part. I see you have potential, and maybe because you were late, that's why you did not put out your full potential. So I hope that next week when you come, you're ready to deliver. And I just want to ask you a question. Is it because you were late why you leave your belt?
Yeah, for real. Thing, but not lie. The dress code is very important. You see what I say? And we expect better from your performance. Because last week we see you do your thing and we feel proud. You see? But to me, everything flat. You see what I say? You keep it all, you know, and you close your eye and you know, inject with the audience. You know, that's very important. So may I say,